I use this simple tool to help form the jaws when I'm working on a pair of my farrier style tongs. Here are a pair of blanks that I've forged to the point where I now need to form the jaws. I'd like to make another one of these hardy tools, but from thicker stock so that the depression can be deeper and maybe a little bit wider. I used to use this piece here to support my stake anvil, but I rarely use this now. It doesn't even fit too well. There's a bunch of clay within that hole. So I'd like to remove that shaft and then use that plate. Repurposing things and blacksmithing go hand in hand. I bought a pack of these green shark cutoff discs and I really like them. They cut really well. They're supposed to be for stainless steel, so mild is nothing then. I usually hate grinding on things, but I find watching this oddly satisfying. I need to give a really big shout out to Yun Radic for his very generous donation to the channel. I think that's how you pronounce his name, but if not, I apologize. At any rate, thank you very much. I decide to also put a square depression in this for some future projects that I have in mind. A larger plate like this can be really useful. I think I'm going to put some serrations on this one side here when I get a chance. But for now and for this video, I just want to focus on getting the farrier jaws done. This depression, this tool is working better than my previous smaller version one. I've made some positive changes to my tooling and to my tongs, and I'll make that more apparent in coming videos. So since this is not a tong specific video, I skip ahead, and here are the completed blanks. I don't know when, but I gave this a nice scar. This plate is just mild steel. Again, over time, I'm going to add some different functions to this plate. Even for a person like me who keeps things simple, there's always something to learn in blacksmithing. There's always something else to try. This pair of tongs came out pretty nice. Thanks to all who watch and support the channel. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.